for inequalities, that is going to be your true, false, true, false. So when we have solution set, we're looking for true. And then remember, when we have a solid line, it's the symbol with the line underneath. This kind of makes a solid line. It looks like a solid line. Boom, 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 boom. When you have a dotted line, it's the symbol without the line underneath. So, let's try the first one. Which of the ordered pairs below is a solution of the inequality 2x minus 5y greater than 15? So, what I want to do here is I want to do true and false for these. Okay? So, I'm going to rewrite this on my paper, 2x minus 5y greater than 15. I'll write it 4 times. So then I can just plug in my numbers in a minute. And done. Now remember, when I have a point, I have my x's right here, and then I have my y's right here. So when I do this, I need to remember that the numbers that are x's go with the x. So right here I'm going to do parentheses, 4 parentheses, and then for my y, I'm going to do parentheses 3 parentheses. Now for b, it's parentheses negative 2 parentheses 5. For c, parentheses 0. For y, parentheses 2. For d, parentheses 2 parentheses negative 4. I like to do this before. It makes it just easier when I go to the calculator. So now for the calculator, I'm going to put this one in here. 2 parentheses 4 parentheses minus 5 parentheses 3 parentheses. Now to get this symbol, to get these symbols right here, you have to do control equal, control equal. So control equal, and we have to pick the one we're dealing with, which is right here. 15, enter, and that gives me false. So A is false, so it cannot be my answer. Oops, cannot be. So now let's try B. 2 parentheses negative 2 parentheses minus 5 parentheses 5 parentheses control equals 15, enter. That's false. So B cannot be my answer. Now let's try C. 2 parentheses 0 parentheses minus 5 parentheses 2 parentheses control equals 15, enter. That gave me false. Oh man, I really hope these answer. Okay, so next one. 2 parentheses 2 parentheses minus 5 parentheses negative 2 negative 4. So close to messing up. Parentheses control equals, correct symbol, 15, enter, and that gave me true. So that would be my answer. Okay, so the next one is important, or oh, I forgot the important vocabulary, my bad. We're gonna put inequality, and that should tell you true or false when you see that word. Now the graph best represents the solution set of y less than or equal to negative 4x. Here our most important word is solution set. When we see the word solution set, we know that is true, false. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to look at the symbol. I know that this means solid line. Okay, solid line. So now I'm going to look at my answer choices and I'm going to figure out which one is not solid, which one I can delete. So I see A is dotted, so that's not good. I see B is dotted, so that's not good. I see C is solid, so that's good. I see D is solid, so that's good. So I'm between C and D now. Now the issue here is that if I have a shaded area here, my shaded area is here. If I copy this shaded area, copy, we're going to paste it. right here, these two areas are kind of overlapping. That means I want to pick a point that is not in this area. Okay, so I want to pick a point in this gray area right here. So I'm going to pick 3, 3, and then over here I want to pick maybe like, so we're going to do the same thing, kind of figure out where I want to shade. So here I would shade right here up. So let me see, right here or shade up. Those are the same. So I'm going to pick a point in this non-area. So like -5, -5. You never want the areas to overlap. Most of the time it won't do this, but maybe sometimes it will. That's why I want to show you. So now I have y less than or equal to -4x, y less than or equal to -4x. We just copy. Now we're going to plug in our points. I have my x, I have my y, I have my x, I have my y. My y is -5 here. My x is -5. My x is 3, my y is 3. So now I want to go to my calculator to do true and false. So I have parentheses, -5, parentheses. To get this symbol, remember, to get this symbol, we're going to do control equals. So control equals negative. Oh my gosh, I didn't even pick it. This one's the correct one. -4, parentheses, -5, parentheses, enter. And that gives me true. Now, I want to do D just in case I made a mistake on C. So parentheses, 3, parentheses, control equals, this symbol right here, -4, parentheses, 3, parentheses, enter. And that gives me false. So if I know C is true and I know D is false, C is my answer. If you have any questions, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Have a great day.